The fundamentals of Islamic banking. To understand Islamic banking, we first need to dive into the core principles that drive it. Islamic banking is based on Sharia law, which dictates that financial transactions must adhere to Islamic teachings. These principles are designed to promote fairness, ethical conduct, and social justice. One of the key principles of Islamic banking, the first one is prohibition of riba, or we call interest. Islamic banking strictly prohibits charging or paying interest, known as riba, as it is considered exploitative. Instead of earning money from interest, Islamic banks focus on profit sharing, equity participation, and risk-sharing arrangements. The second is profit and loss sharing. One of the key features of Islamic banking is profit and loss sharing. This means both the bank and the customer share in the risks and rewards of any investment or business venture. The third one is asset-backed transactions. Every transaction must be backed by real, tangible assets, ensuring that financial activities are grounded in productive economic ventures. This also prevents speculation or excessive uncertainty, and what we call gharar. The next is ethical investment. Islamic banks only invest in businesses and projects that align with Islamic ethics. Industries like alcohol, gambling, and tobacco are prohibited. Now, let's shift our focus to fundamental of conventional banking. Conventional banks operate on secular, capitalistic principles that do not involve religious guidelines. Their primary aim is profit maximization for shareholders. The key principles of conventional banking, the first one is interest-based system. In conventional banking, interest is the main mechanism for earning profits. Banks charge interest on loans and pay interest on deposits, with profits generated through the difference between the interest charged on loans and paid on deposits. The second one is risk management. Conventional banks are risk-averse and typically manage risks through financial products like insurance, derivatives, and credit checks. The third one is profit maximization. The main focus of conventional banking is to generate profit for the shareholders, and this often drives decisions regarding loan products, investments, and services. The next one is no asset-backed transactions. Unlike Islamic banking, conventional banks can lend money without requiring the loan to be backed by physical assets.
Created using Powtoon.